Case title, Prudencio Ganal, Jr. y Badajos versus People of the Philippines, GR number 248130, December 2nd, 220. Doctrine. For self-defense to be considered as a justifying circumstance, the elements of unlawful aggression, reasonable necessity of the means employed to prevent or repel the aggression, and lack of sufficient provocation must all be present. A person confronted with an imminent threat is not expected to exercise absolute tranquility or perfect judgment, and the courts must evaluate the situation from the perspective of the defender at the time of the attack. Facts. Prudencio Ganal, Jr. was charged with homicide for killing Julwin Alvarez. On the evening of May 20th, 2013, Julwin, accompanied by his nephew Angelo, went to Ganal's house. An altercation ensued where Julwin allegedly threatened to kill Ganal and his family. Julwin forcibly entered Ganal's property, attacked Ganal's father, and continued advancing towards Ganal while brandishing stones and a knife. Ganal, after firing a warning shot, shot Julwin multiple times, resulting in his death. Ganal claimed self-defense and defense of a relative. The trial court convicted Ganal of homicide, ruling that the force used was not commensurate to the threat posed by Julwin. The Court of Appeals affirmed the conviction. Ganal appealed, asserting that he acted in self-defense. Issue. Whether Ganal's claim of self-defense can be upheld. Held. The Supreme Court acquitted Ganal, ruling that the elements of self-defense were present. The court found that Julwin exhibited unlawful aggression when he entered Ganal's property, attacked his father, and advanced toward Ganal while armed. Ganal's response was deemed reasonable given the circumstances. The court noted that Ganal fired a warning shot, but Julwin persisted in his aggression, forcing Ganal to fire more shots to protect himself and his family. The court emphasized that in assessing self-defense, the situation must be viewed from the perspective of the defender at the time of the incident. The number of gunshots, though significant, was not unreasonable in light of Julwin's continued aggression. Disposition. Wherefore, the petition is granted. The decision of the Court of Appeals is reversed and Prudencio Ganal, Jr. is acquitted of homicide on the ground of self-defense. This digest outlines the critical legal principles and findings in the case for clear reference.